G'day, here's a small deal of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. Field's unknown, rules in millimetres. Material's been wetted, the white is the reflection from the lights. Okay, I've zoomed in a little bit so you get a better look. These are lower grade pieces, great to practice with. Get the feel for cutting boulder. Basically they're just the faces. If you find something else, then that's a bonus. This may well grind off here by the looks. It's semi-translucent, as you can see. See the parent material underneath. These pieces I've just thrown in. Cut that, just use it as a lightning bolt type stone. This piece might cut a little stone. Quite often with this brown potch you get bright colours mixed with it. It's thin on the back here, but you never know, and I've basically thrown them in. It's only a cheap little deal, good for practice. Cheers.